Hey, good morning. Let's go over today's trade plan. So in the overnight session, the sell side had been more dominant heading into the NFP number, and then following the employment number, we got continuation into the next area of support, which was a bias changing zone, and so far responsive buyers have been active there. Now, heading into the open, the main question is whether this breakdown below the 44.54 half to 62 half area is going to result in any kind of follow through, or is it going to turn into a false or failed breakdown attempt? And off the open, how ES behaves at the 44.36 to 44 initial support and the 44.54 half to 62 half micro bull bear is going to help answer that question. If buyers can hold ES above initial support and then get the market back above the micro bull bear, that would be the first sign of some stability. And then if we can get a breakout above 44.74.75 to 82.75, that would be a bit more of a confirmation that buyers are now indeed stepping in, and that can then result in a move back up into 44.97 to 45.03, where sellers can be active on first test. And if buyers can take that zone out, then it would set up a move into 45.09 half to 12 half, and eventually the market may even head back up into the overnight high and yesterday's RTH high at 45.27 quarter to 34 quarter, where sellers are likely to defend on first test, and then the next important zone is going to be up at 45.48 to 53. So that is the market context and plan heading into the open. Again, our short-term bias continues to be neutral, but with the understanding that our intraday bias will be set based on how the market behaves at the initial support, the micro bull bear, and the initial resistance zone. So we need to continue to be fairly flexible with our real-time view and pay close attention to how the real-time situation shapes up. So that is the trade plan heading into the open. Let's see how ES behaves at the initial support as well as the micro bull bear and initial resistance zones. That's going to help set the bias on the day, and we'll take it from there.